This is how you clean your drone lens with micromesh. I crashed my drone a couple weeks ago and I got some nicks and dings on the lens. I tried cleaning it with an all-purpose cleaner, but that didn't work so well. This is a before picture. This is after I used the polishing method. All you need for this is a micromesh kit, camera cleaner, and microfiber cloth. Make sure you have a firm grip on the camera and drone. Take the micromesh and go back and forth in one direction. For each grit, go for about 30 to 60 seconds. For the 12,000 grit, go for about a minute to 3 minutes. Now you're done with all your micromesh. Put a little bit of camera cleanser on there, just a drop, and just give it a little polish. And I'll show you a before and after picture. And that's it.